Sawadee. Welcome to Asian Kitchen in Berlin. I am Tanya. Today we are going to make Thai fried rice. Fried rice is very easy, very simple, and you can make it anytime. And whenever you have the leftover rice, you don't know what to do with it, you just make fried rice. Best is to use leftover rice. You should not use the new cooked rice because it's still too warm and it can make it too mushy and sticky on the pan when you mix with sauce. You need rice, shrimp, coriander, tomato, chili, spring onion, lime, cucumber, carrot, onion, bouillon, garlic, oyster sauce, fish sauce, soya sauce, cooking oil, sugar, and egg. The main sauce that we use is soya sauce and oyster sauce. Today we use shrimp, but otherwise you can also use pork, chicken, or tofu. I will start by cutting the vegetable. It's better to use the vegetable onion to have a sweet taste. Put it aside. Add a little bit of garlic. We need a little bit of tomato. Add a little bit of carrot just to make nice color. It's actually very easy and healthy because you add a lot of vegetable into the rice. Nice also for kids. Chop a very fine green onion and so coriander. This we are going to put on top of the rice when it's finished. Just make the cucumber ready. Now we are ready to make our fried rice. Now I will start to heat up the oil and then add first garlic. You bake a little bit garlic to have a nice fragrance, a nice smell. And then you can add onion. Make sure that the garlic is not burned because it will be bitter. And now add shrimp. When it changes the color into pink, then it's cooked. It keeps stirring because I don't want garlic to get burned. Now I add carrot for a nice color. I add tomato, and now I will add egg. I use only one egg. And then you can add rice. And now I will add a little bit of bouillon just to get the flavor. Add oyster sauce. A little bit of soya sauce. A little bit of sugar just for the taste. There we go, our fried rice is ready. Nice on the plate. So we garnish with onion and coriander, a little bit of cucumber, also with lime. Our fried rice is finished, but normally when you eat fried rice in Thailand, you will always get the sauce that come with the fried rice. You will have chili just to add the taste and spice, a little bit of garlic, lime juice, and then you put in together with the rice. And there we go, we finished with our fried rice. If you enjoy this recipe, please like and share this video and subscribe to Asian Kitchen in Berlin. See you next time. สวัสดีค่ะ